this is Dana. Today I want to share my amazing experience at LTL summer camp. First, I visited LTL Korean School in Hongdae. It looks like break time now. Students are having snacks and relaxing in the community zone. During break time, I met Esther, one of the school directors.
Hi everyone, my name is Esther. I'm the Director of Studies here at LTL Seoul. I'm in charge of managing teachers and classes and also homestays.
When the break was over, all the students went to study. Let me show you how they study. Students were focused on their lessons with passionate teachers. In the next class, they were using Korean letter blocks. It seems like a fun and easy way to learn Korean. At higher levels, students use custom textbooks and materials.
이거 뭐야? I read the book. Yes, I read.
Okay, 이상. Okay, everyone. 5 years. 부산이.
At higher levels, there are many teenage students. And they were really good at Korean. It was amazing. After school, we went outside. Today, we visited Seoul Tower.
Say hi.
Seeing Korea outside of school helps us learn more about Korea. Everyone looked so happy. From the top of Seoul Tower, we enjoyed a beautiful view of Seoul. The city was so beautiful. We usually visit famous places in Seoul after school. Last week, we went to Gyeongbokgung Palace. Everyone looked so pretty in traditional hanbok. Walking around Gyeongbokgung in hanbok felt like being in history. It helps us understand Korean history better. After exploring Seoul, it's time to go home. Staying with a Korean family looked so fun. Korean families were very kind. They looked so happy shopping for groceries and cooking together. Having dinner together helped naturally learn more about Korean culture. After dinner, they spent time together and had a lot of fun. I had so much fun today with LTL summer camp. I'm sure that learning Korean at school, visiting Seoul's landmarks, and staying with a Korean family is the best way to understand Korean culture and language.